Open your preferred browser and open this website swiggycursors.com. Once you're in this website, scroll down and here you'll find lots of free cursors. You can use any of them in your PC, or you can click on collection and here you will find all cursor collection. You can choose any of them. You can search for a specific category cursor by using this search option. So in my case, I'm selecting this cursor, for example. So just click this download option and here we have to select complete pack. Once the zip file downloaded, go to your file explorer and go to download folder, unzip the folder, open the folder. Now in this folder you have to remove everything without this cursor.ani file and this pointer.cur file. So delete everything. Now all you have to need, go to your computer settings. In search settings, type here mouse settings, open mouse settings. In mouse settings, open additional mouse settings and here you have to select pointers and here you have to select normal select and click on browse. And now go ahead and select your downloaded cursor. So this is the cursor, select cursor. Once selected normal cursor, now you have to scroll down and find out this link select and click on browse, and this time select the link cursor.cur file, click on open. Now click on apply, click on OK. And finally, here we have our new cursor. Let's hover over on a link. As you can see, when I hover over on a link, my cursor changed to link cursor. So this is how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.